I think one of the biggest lessons that gave me courage during my training was sub 3 hour is not a dream, it's a decision. I heard that somewhere in the YouTube. I really didn't understand it when I first heard it, but as I completed my marathon, as I went from 6 hour to 3:20 marathon, like chasing sub 3 hour now, I think I really started to understand like what that meant and like how much it gave me courage. Because I think running is the most brutally honest sports out there. Like for instance, in other sports, like soccer, basketball, there's even like a slight chance that like a team that's in like 8th seed could be like a team in the 1st seed, you know? That's why those like miracles happen. But unfortunately, miracles don't happen in running and just getting healthy. The reason being is that like the amount of work you put in directly correlates with your time, especially early on. And there was an article that says if your marathon time is like above like 250 to like 340, depending on your mileage, you could easily predict what marathon time is going to be with like 5 minute difference. And I think that is super powerful because that just shows that anyone who's willing to put in work can reduce marathon time, get healthier, and there's literally just formula out there where people just need to do it. And another thing was, like, I checked out a couple of run clubs, and there are some serious runners out there. And what surprised me was, like, if you're running sub 3 hour, like, everyone was like, weekly mileage was like running like 60 miles per week at least. You know, there was a consistency among top runners on how much they trained and how many miles they were getting in. And it could be daunting because, oh shit, like, how can I run that much? But also, if you look at it from a different perspective, it's like, wow, if I keep on working and get to the point, get to the mileage, I could get to the time that I want in like races, right? So, like, even now, I'm like running and talking to the camera, and when I first ruptured my Achilles tendon and got back to running, like, I was running much slower than this without talking, without holding camera, and I was still out of breath. So I think running is brutally honest. So believe in work you put in. Like, it's your body won't deceive you. It's not gonna stab in your back. So believe in your body, believe in your training, and whatever you're training right now, whatever races, or just getting healthier, keep putting in that work, because eventually it's going to make a difference. And let's go. You got this. Thank you, 940 subscribers, for listening to this and just following around the journey. And if you're interested in just raw, uncut training and just me growing together with this community, join the channel, join the community. Good luck.